am Vinith, pursuing my second year BE CSE at SNS College of Engineering. Well, I go to my introduction of the idea replicating human intelligence with technology, not new by any means. In fact, the term artificial intelligence was first brought up at conference held at Dartmouth University in the summer of 1995. However, due to the fact that the evolution of technology takes time, especially one of as complex as artificial intelligence, it hasn't been until recently that the concept has been able to develop to the point where it is finally ready for widespread utilization. This technology and its modifications have the potential to the fundamental change the ways in which business operate in today's economy. Current state of AI. Some of the most important cognitive technologies include machine learning, which refers to AI's ability to learn by detecting patterns from data sets and using that information to create forms for prediction of events. In their recent survey of more than 1075 process professionals from large companies using cognitive technologies, Daughtry and Wilson confirmed that 88% of organizations implementing machine learning had achieved over 200% improvement in their operation key performance indications. This way, mostly achieved by automating processes and activities with machine learning without even tapping the full potential of artificial intelligence and other related technologies. Human capabilities to access performance. To determine how current technologies perform in selection of human capabilities, Manika 2017 have defined 5 main categories: sensory perception, cognitive capabilities, natural language processing, social and emotional capabilities, as well as physical capabilities. Sensory perception covers visual perception, tactile sensing, and auditory sensing, as well as complex models for external perception through analyzing and integrating sensor data collected from the physical world. An example of this computer vision, referring to machines' ability to identify object and activities by analyzing information collected from images. This can be accomplished, for example, by detecting edges and textures of the objects and comparing identified features to information that is already known as system. Implementations in industries. In order to determine how organizations are using cognitive technologies, StatsSky reviewed over 100 examples of recently implemented AI-based solutions. These were collected from 17 industries, and the application area includes research and development, manufacturing, logistics, sales, marketing, and customer service. In their study, StatsSky found that application of cognitive technologies could be divided into 3 main categories. AI was most applied to enhance products, improve processes, or create insight. Implementation in industry. As for product applications, AI's purpose has been mostly enhance the product itself, therefore increasing its value to end customers. This has led to the rise of completely new products like robotic vacuum cleaners and virtual personal assistants. These automation products can be divided into categories such as autonomous cars, trucks, unmanned aerial vehicles, chatbots, and robotic process automation. Process application will be discussed in more detail in following chapters. They are intended to either replace, automate, relieve, or empower the work of humans. AI works. In automation works. By automizing a job into smaller fragments, AI can be applied to automate as many of these pieces as possible. While taking responsibility for the non-automatable parts, humans can also work as supervisors, making adjustments and corrections to work performed by cognitive technologies. An example of this is a translation process where human translators are checking AI's work to detect and correct possible errors. Artificial intelligence can also be used to relieve people's work by performing tasks of lower value so that trained professionals can able apply their skills to more valuable and fulfilling parts of the job. For instance, AI can be used to write routine earnings reports so journalists are allowed to make better sure of their time by focusing on in-depth reporting. Automation potential for work activities. Based on a detailed analysis of over 2000 work activities collected from the more than 800 occupations across the economy of the USA, discovered that only a very 14 proportion of occupations could be completely automated using currently available technologies. However, automation has the potential to change nearly every job in one way or another. Only the degree to which their activities can be automated differs. About 60% of occupations have at least 30% of activities that can be automated, but less than 5% of them are fully automatable. Therefore, over 95% of potential automation can be used to their automate, relieve, or empower the work of humans. Using AI for industry optimization. The next industrial revolution is about to begin, and it's going to be fundamentally change the ways in which business operate as they are starting to invest in the latest technologies. This can be defined on higher level as a movement from the traditional linear flow of data and communication towards system with real-time access to data and intelligence. Kotler and Snyderman explain this as a continuous cycle between physical and digital components of a system, where data is first captured from the physical world and then shared with used technologies to uncover insights. These insights are then applied back to relevant physical components through algorithms which are used to translate decisions made in the digital world so they can be applied to make changes in the physical world. Conclusion. The field of artificial intelligence gives the ability to the machines to think analytically using concepts. Tremendous contribution to the various areas has been made by artificial intelligence techniques. From the last 2 decades, artificial intelligence will continue to play an increasingly important role in the various fields. The concept of artificial intelligence, areas of artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence techniques used in the field of power system stabilizers to maintain system stability and damping of oscillation and provide high quality performance in the network intrusion detection to protect the network from intruders. In the medical area, in the field of medicine, for medical image classification in the accounting databases, and described how these AI techniques are used in computer games to solve the common problems and to provide features to the games so as to have fun. Thank you.